Zoo or oof?
Nagtira si Rila po. Isang buwan na tayo kala nanay mo. Wala pa yung cheat
Zookeeper has a lot of bullets and green. I don't want to be. No, we. Golden spot. Golden spot.
Magtrabaho muna sa iba.
Oh!
Pag mayroon na
Roar!
hindi pala
Bro, this is a golden
hindi
spot.
pala diretsong pag
Dude, I swear somebody actually spoils it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Parang sa Japan din.
Oh my gosh!
Dapat makakuha ka ng trabaho.
You dingleberry! You actual dingleberry!
Yan lang nga. Pag wala kang diskarte, edi sacrifice.
Crouch, crouch.
Muna.
Bro, crouch, crouch.
Sa Las Vegas.
Dude, this boy on my spot. Dude, you stupid elephant. Oh my gosh, you skibbity toilet monkey.
Muna, bago sa pag-move. Para na may
Oh my gosh. Dude.
Sa Japan.
Dude, stop with your elephant.
Aga. Dapat yung sa
Elephant.
Sa semana, o dalawa, makakuha ka ng trabaho.
Oh my gosh, dude. Bro, you ain't fitting there. You ain't fitting there, dude. You ain't fitting there. I'll do anything, anything you ask me to. Say you want to move, watch me learn to fly to a mountain you would point to. I wouldn't climb. It's crazy, but it's not true. Wait, she's not checking here. She's not checking here, Chad. There's a place called Roar! Booty clapper chicks. Booty clapper scary toilet. First swim. Let's go. Lego. Animal. Penguins. Actually, no. Furniture. Yeah, we're cooked here, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm almost an ant. 1 second. Martina, what do you mean 1 second? I love it when you call me senorita. You call me like a hula la la. Hula la la.
Jeff, tambiran ano ko yung ano? Wala lang yung remote.
Oh my gosh. Andun ako ah. Oh my gosh, shit. Make him away, don't say.
Sa lahat na nakita kong tubal, ikaw lang yung malambot.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course, but you're gonna get found. Of course, dude. Dude, what did you just launch?
Sa lahat daw ng tumal, ikaw ang malambot. Ay, ito sabihin, tumul.
Yeah? Tomboy.
Pag December na po dahil, kailan hindi siya...
Anak ko ba, electric fan na muna. Hindi ma-control. Nakatulong mo siguro yung daddy mo.
Ah! you see a zookeeper, don't forget to scream. Oh my gosh.
Maliit lang po.
I wish I have a treasure chest in my room so I can put anything I wanted. Yeah, dude. I wish I could have you, dude.
Ano dyan? Bilog?
Labi ay, grabe ang lakas nito.
Ah! Dude, why am I parent? That's not fair. How did I got paralyzed?
Ganda nga yun. Sa isang.
Just got one ticket, dude. Ooh. I want to be an ant. Nah, I'm gonna be a spider. I'm gonna be Speedar. So next time we're gonna have one left. I want to do Queen Stations. I'm gonna go to Train Station. Playing ground do. 10, 3, 2, 1. Slay playground. Playground. See. I'm just gonna be I'm gonna be one. I know I'm gonna be one shot, but it's okay. Nah! Just rolling down. Just rolling down or something. Oh, I thought you wanted something. Oh, skibbity toil.
Bata pa ako maano kong magpila. Yung ano kong
Yung kambal ko mo kasi ngayon, kahit na namin po yun.
Chaos rules here. The spider would hide. Oh! Was there a spider in the zoo?
ganyan sa utibong o itim. Eh, ganyan magantinda doon sa ano.
That doesn't make sense. Actually, yeah, there's spiders in zoos. Okay, let's see. Spider? Yeah, nobody can see me. Actually, how did they shoot an ant? Know how small are ants, you know?
Ganyan sinasabi ni kay Dapo. Yung pa ganyan sa likod. Yan kay Dapo. Pantay. 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 Pantay.
Oh my gosh!
Di ba po? Hindi ba naman mabalik?
Can be anything you wanna be. Da 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 da. Da 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 ba da 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 da.
Alam mo ba, ano ganyan ako?
Sengoku manga.
Para naman yun.
No more.
Ang ganda.
Who's it? Chicken banini.
Actually, that's the order sa
Come on, dude. Yeah.
Sinabi ng Panginoon.
Actually, po, kasi yung dito si Lord. Dito sa contest natin.
Ooh, let's choose banke. Kale. Ohio diri Sacra Bombies.
Mamaya nag-ano dyan. Nag-Quiapo. Ang wala mo po. Atas isang round pa lang ay isang
Oh my
ikot.
gosh, I'm gonna get an elephant.
Alam mo po niya. Alam mo po niya.
Phew. Pero at least it's fine. It's fine. I can hide some. I can hide somewhere. No, I can hide somewhere. Yeah, somewhere in the universe. Somewhere, some that's universe. Wish I made it easier. Wish I let it feel better. My world's smallest violin. Wish so I blow up into smithereens. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys! Oh my gosh! Look at them! Look at this dude! Oh my gosh! Look at this dude! Actually, it's too hard to see. Bro, it's possible, bro. And prepare for any. Yeah, guys, I'm ready. It's the last round. Let's go. Bye, guys.